Welcome, executives and fellow teachers. My name is Josie Patrick and I am a TAS teacher. Today I will be discussing how 3D printers can not only be utilised by the TAS faculty but also by yours as well. English and language teachers, why not print characters that students can write stories about, or create models of famous landmarks from other countries that are being studied? Drama, you can create a range of props and prototypes of the stages that you plan to use. Maths, how about examine how parts interact with each other by working with movable cogs or a working abacus? You can also easily create 3D mathematical shapes. PD hates PE. In an instant, you can create personalized equipment such as soccer balls, golf clubs, cones, and road safety equipment. History. Why not use a 3D printer to create dinosaur bones, fossils, and historical features such as pyramids, Roman helmets, and castles to be studied? Geography. Recreate complex structures such as volcanoes and sediments in parts or stages to illustrate just how the inner workings are, or create 3D terrains of various world locations. Music. Wouldn't it be fun to create new instruments designed from scratch? Have students use their new knowledge about how an instrument works to design their own unique creation. How about composing a song for your new 3D printed orchestra to play for an audience later? Art teachers, help empower the creativity of students to create complex and unique pieces, from jewelry, abstract shapes and concepts, to replicating traditional art forms such as statues, vases, and interior design pieces. 3D printing can also be used to simplify complex designs and introduce 3D CAD into art lessons. Science. Demonstrate the rise of industry bio and medical 3D printers to show how this technology is changing the landscape of medicine, healthcare, and science. 3D printing can be used in a variety of formats, such as printable dissection kits, the dissection of a frog printed in a plastic to illustrate key organs and discuss how they work and fit together. Movable joints, working mechanical hands, and pivoting solar systems can also illustrate the subject area, creating the group projects and activities. Finally, TAS. Complex designs and products can be printed and manufactured quickly and efficiently. Printing in 3D enables a more seamless process, allowing the user to modify the design, tailor sizing, add additional features, and use a variety of materials ranging from traditional plastics in solid or transparent colors to wood, chalk, and rubber. Bloom's taxonomy refers to higher order thinking. This can be directly related to the use of a 3D printer. Creating. Students are able to design and construct their own ideas and designs from the initial planning stage to the final prototype. Evaluating. Having a working 3D model that is to scale allows the students the ability to evaluate how successful their design outcomes is by evaluating its effectiveness to meet the brief. Analyzing. The students are able to analyze what worked, what didn't work, and how they can change it from their own working model. Applying. Because the design is stored in a 3D rendering program, the students have the ability to apply their changes efficiently. Understanding. Allowing the students to critique their own work, to evaluate and apply changes leads to higher order thinking, by enabling the student to understand the assessment, identifying, clarifying, and explaining the knowledge and skills they have gained. Remembering. Because the students are required to create, evaluate, analyze, and apply, they are given a much more hands-on approach to an assessment that can be closely connected to real-world situations. This creates a stronger connection to the students' minds and allows them to remember and recall the knowledge, understanding, and skills gained. This is all very well and good, I hear you say, but how much does it cost? 3D printing has become very affordable, with machines now costing less than $5,000, with running costs as low as 10 cents per gram for strong ABC plastic. The use of the 3D printer within education incorporates all the skills and resources needed to complete the technological, pedagogical, content knowledge diagram. The technology is significant because it offers a wide range of effective learning and teaching opportunities that are based on real-world scenarios. The content of each individual subject can be advanced by the use of the 3D printer. This allows one device to be used to suit a variety of needs and ideas that the teacher has to complete their existing knowledge and content. From a pedagogical aspect, 3D printer meets all the requirements of the Bloom's taxonomy, which enhances the students' cognitive mental skills. It is effective via the students' feelings of ownership of their own design, and psychomotor, which through manual or physical skills gains. This all enhances this learning and teaching with the advancements of the 3D printer.